Planting my onion sets raised beds that are being used for the first time this year. Last fall I filled them up with free arborist wood chips, and then this spring I'm spreading a couple bags of potting soil over the top. This is a nice, cheap, easy way to fill your raised beds without spending a lot of money. Now the onion sets should be planted a month or so before the last frost in spring. Here in zone 5, that's in April, and sets should have as much sun as you can give them. Raised beds are ideal because the soil is loose and not compacted. I don't ever walk on my raised beds, and they're only 4 foot wide, so you can reach 2 feet into them from the sides on each side. Raised beds have good drainage that onions need also. And put the sets a few inches apart. I use the width of my hand as a guide, and just leave the little pointed top showing at the top of the soil. And then push the soil up against the sides of them. If you do get them too close, of course, you can always thin them out as they are growing. They're always nice to take in the house at any time of year. Give them plenty of water throughout the year and as much sun as you can. They start to grow. Sometimes I even take mulch and put in between the rows to keep the weeds out, the soil moist. Mulch is good for keeping the soil moist. But thanks a lot, and I hope that helps with how to plant onion sets, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.